Looking for Repipe Services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know outdated pipes can lead to leaks, low water pressure, and discoloured water, problems no homeowner wants to deal with. Our Repipe Services provide a long-term solution, replacing old, failing pipes with durable materials like PEX or copper for better water quality and efficiency. Whether you're upgrading from Poly B or dealing with corroded pipes, we ensure a smooth, hassle-free process with minimal disruption to your home. As a trusted local expert in Sherwood Park, we understand the area's unique plumbing challenges and offer tailored solutions to keep your system running flawlessly. Want to learn more? Keep watching to see why homeowners rely on Kingstree Plumbing for professional repipe services in Sherwood Park.